Alright everybody, you know when I build a model car, I show it off, because that's what we do. So today, I'm looking at the 1957 Chevy Bel-Air. This is by AMT. I'll picture the box up over screen right now. So, yeah, I built this car. It came out okay. I don't have any problems with the kit itself. It's just, I didn't like the way mine came out. So things just kind of didn't work out the way I wanted it to work out. So, let me just show you what's going on here. Now, I can't say what happened, but what happened is I built it. So, as you can see, I will spin it around here a little bit. I think the back end kind of slopes down a little bit. Alright, so let me tell you what's going on here. So I painted it a duplicolor metallic green, obviously. The green was a lot darker than I had anticipated it to be. The interior, I painted white with testers green, if it focuses. A little bit there. The green there became a lot lighter than I wanted it to be, because the outside wasn't supposed to be as dark as it was. There was a lot of flash on it, so pieces like the steering wheel there kind of aren't little messy looking. They kind of aren't like completely clean. And then the green looked like it just went on heavy. You know, it just looks like there was a lot of paint on it. It's one of the tub style interiors where you put the seat in and lift it up in the bottom of the Carter. Yeah, so I did it with a white top. I did it with the metallic green. I used the Tester's paint pen for the trim, which as you can see kind of faded off in the back there. This side just looks like a monkey's butt, so we don't shine it on that side. The front end, they don't give you a decal for the front there, so I tried to paint that, and my little precision painting is not great. Engine. It's an old AMT kit, so there's kind of not a lot to be done there. And the heater fell off the wall. Oh well. Yeah, the interstate battery, painted it Chevy orange. Nothing spectacular, leaves a lot to the imagination to be desired. The little chrome pieces on the front here, those were real nice. Again, chrome had a lot of trim on it. Underneath, it's one of these old kits that has the exhaust built into the bottom. Just kind of picked that out a little bit. Other than that, the engine fit in really well on the bottom. The front suspension fit in really well. The rear suspension is all part of this drivetrain there. It's got the metal axles. On the box itself, it shows white wall tires. There are no white walls in this kit. The wheels I did not like because of the flash. They kind of came out all crummy and goofy and gooey and all that stuff. Like I said, this side is better, so we'll shine on that side. So I went through my spare parts box and I found these wheels. They actually looked really good. So I really like that look on it. So I went with those wheels because it looked good, and also to fit in. It had to come off an AMT kit because they fit in with the metal axles there. So yeah. So overall, the kit was not a bad kit, not a great kit, but not a bad kit. I just didn't like my results of it. The back bumper I had a little problem getting on there, so cautious with that. But like I said, my results are not great. The kit isn't bad. So, you know, it's what you do with it. So, there will be a slideshow at the end here. I'll keep this short. Slideshow at the end here of the pictures of the car. And, yeah. If you build it, just build it better than I did. Like I said, don't hate it. I just don't like mine. Alright, everybody, whatever you're doing, wherever you're at, you know, I always say it in all my videos. Take care, be kind to each other, rock and roll. I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned because I got some more builds coming.